So very good evening, children, all of you. Hello, Ronak. Hello, Ronak, Rakhi, Rajib, Mona, everyone. Aradhya, Arnav. Yes. Hello, Aradhya and Arnav. Come on, I cannot see your correct names. Yes, all of you. A very good evening to all of you. Okay. Good evening to all of you. So, yes, children, a very good evening and welcome you all in this session of Bio Nurture. Yes, every day you are getting to learn a short a short note of the bio, which will be very helpful for all your examinations, be it NTSE, Olympiads, KVPY, any exam. And you won't have to devote a special time for learning a bio. I hope all of you are with the notebook and the pen to note down the important topics. And I'm really happy to see small kids like Anis and Anis Raut and Romit who are from grade 5 and maybe someone more. Yes. So these grade 5 children are doing really great with Vedantu, and within 3-4 months they're yeah majorly in next 5-6 months I can say by October, yeah, their grade 9 syllabus will be over. So that is really very great. So for being regular, and thank you all for being over here. So welcome to this classroom. First of all, I hope all of you have registered for the micro course today. The micro course for 9th and 10th has started. Yes, and then it is for grade 5 and 6, and then we have the Volt coming up on 26th February. So let us revise. We were doing Whitaker 5 kingdom classification. We did Monra, Protista, fungi, and we were doing Plantae. In Plantae, we did Thallophyta and Bryophyta. Today we'll be doing Pteridophyta. Tomorrow we'll complete Angiosperms and Gymnosperms, and then we'll shift it to endocrine system, right? Endocrine system will be really, human endocrine system will be very interesting for all of you to know कि like कौन कौन से glands ऐसे हैं जो आपको help करते हैं. तो अभी पर plant kingdom को finish करते हैं. We'll go to ferns today. We'll study about all the ferns, the जितने भी decorative ornamental plants हैं. So just now a few quiz questions as we every time do it. I told you 5 kingdom classification way we have done Monera Protesta. In the last class we did Bryophyta, Thallophyta and Bryophyta, which are multicellular plants, eukaryotic. So just when the Plantae kingdom is divided into main subphyli. So that is Thallophyta and Bryophyta. So a quiz over them, a quiz on those. Okay, we'll do the quiz at the end. First, let us learn. First, let us learn. Okay, Krishna Gopala, you are also from class 5. That's really very great. So I use 7 books for 6th Olympiad. Great. अभी देखना आप अगर नोट्स बनाओगे अपने आपको कुछ कहीं बुक से भी नहीं पढ़ना पड़ेगा और आपके मार्क्स भी फुल आएंगे. ओके, यू डोंट हैव टू स्टडी एनीथिंग एक्स्ट्रा. घर पे आप सिर्फ मेंटल एबिलिटी और मैथ्स को ग्रूम करो बिकॉज दीज अर्ली क्लासेस आर फॉर मेंटल एबिलिटी, मैथ्स एंड नेक्स्ट सब्जेक्ट इज फिजिक्स. बाय ग्रेड 8 ऑल योर मेंटल एबिलिटी प्रैक्टिस शुड बी ओवर. उसके बाद सिर्फ आपको टेस्ट पेपर्स करने हैं. Yes, Aaron, as you said, yeah, quiz will be at the end. Quiz will be at the end, Aaron. So we come to the next kingdom. We did kingdom of Plantae का next phylum. हमने Thallophyta किया, Bryophyta किया. Now the next part is Pteridophyta. अभी तक आपने पढ़ा था Thallophyta and Bryophyta means algae and fungi. दोनों में से किसी में भी vascular bundles नहीं थे. What are vascular bundles? There were no xylem and phloem. So these pteridophytes are non-flowering. They do not have flowers, but they are vascular. Vascular means they have xylem and phloem. Next thing is they are spore-bearing plants. Means they reproduce by spore formation. इनके leaves पर छोटे-छोटे dots लगे होते हैं, which are the spores, including ferns and fernales. So जो भी ferns हैं, they all are included in this category. ये वाला plant बहुत ornamental plant है. Maximum घरों में ये मिलेगा. This plant is present in most of the homes where decorative plants are kept, ornamental plants are kept. So it's the pteridophytes. These are the non-flowering, green, vascular, spore-bearing plants, and they grow in shady areas. They include horsetails and ferns. Evolutionarily, they are the first terrestrial plants. आपने पढ़ा इससे पहले जितने भी थे, they were living in the moist aquatic water. They were aquatic. You were finding them in the fresh water or in marine, in sea. But these are the first plants which are terrestrial plants to possess vascular tissue, xylem and phloem. So they are terrestrial also, plus they have xylem and phloem. Habitat. Pteridophytes कहाँ मिलते हैं? They are found in cool, damp, shady places, though some may flourish well in sandy soil as well. So mainly they are found in damp and shady places. Next is, so what you have to write up till now, what was most important up till now? They are non-flowering, point number 1. Point number 2, they are vascular plants, they are vascular bundles. Number 3, they are spore bearing. Number 4, they are terrestrial. So have you written the 4 points? Number 1, non-flowering. Number 2, vascular. Points में लिखो बस, not big languages. Number 3, spore bearing. Number 4, terrestrial. Number 5, grow in cool, damp, shady places. And next, number 6 is the main plant body is a sporophyte. It is called a sporophyte, which is differentiated into true root, stem and leaves. पूरी plant body को हम sporophyte बोलते हैं, and it is differentiated into true root, stems and leaves. See, root is in the form of rhizoids over here. This whole, the green leaflets, they are called as the pinna. This stalk is called as the stipe, and this whole is called as the frond. Puri leaf itself is called as the frond. So these green parts, they are called as pinna. This stem is called as stipe, and this whole is called as the frond, and the rootlets are called as the rhizome. सो मेन प्लांट बॉडी इज डिफरेंशिएटेड इनटू रूट स्टेम्स एंड आप देखते थे एल्गी में तो हमने सबसे पहले यही पढ़ा था कि रूट स्टेम लीफ डिफरेंशिएटेड नहीं है, फिर ब्रायोफाइटा में भी यही था. एंड दे हैव xylem for conducting water, they have phloem for conducting food manufactured by the leaves. Xylem and phloem are the two conducting tissues. जैसे हमारी बॉडी में वेसल्स हैं, आर्टरीज, वेन्स हैं to carry, to carry the absorbed food from the intestines and to carry the oxygen from the lungs and to carry carbon dioxide from organs and throw it out through the nasal passage to the lungs and then through the respiratory tract. In the same way, they have xylem for conducting water from rhizoids नीचे से root से to the upper part of the plant and phloem to conduct food from leaves to the entire plant part. So you had written up till now 5 to 6 points, which are very simple to remember. I hope everyone can remember them. Yes? Okay, you have it in your garden, Bhavya. That's really very good. That's really very good. So Anurag Sanswal is also there. Okay, no, nothing to be sorry about it. I'm happy just that you all attend the class. Out of the entire country, like 26 children are sincere. और वही लोग सारे उनका श्योर शॉट है NTSE selection. For grade 10th NTSE to prepare from now. जब हम 10th में होंगे तो हम नीट प्रिपेयर कर रहे होंगे, जेई प्रिपेयर कर रहे होंगे और KVPY प्रिपेयर कर रहे होंगे. प्रिपेयर भी क्या कर रहे होंगे, हमारा ऑलमोस्ट डन होगा. Every competition will be done for you before time. And you can always then grow on and enjoy your time. Exams में सब लोग बहुत पढ़ रहे होंगे, सोच रहे होंगे और आपको सब आता होगा, right? It will flow in your veins, right? The leaves in pteridophytes are very small as in Selaginella or large macrophyls as in ferns. जब छोटी होती है leaves तो उनको बोलते हैं microphyls. जब बड़ी होती है तो वो बोलते हैं macrophyls. And this is the example, Selaginella is the main example of one of the pteridophytes, which you have to remember, right? So these are the leaves which are shown to you. Yes, this is the diagram. Come on. So leaves in the pteridophytes are small. If they are small, they are called as microphyll. If they are large, they are called as macrophylls, as in ferns. Then sporophyte is the entire plant which is called. है ना? Why? Because it bears spores. So entire plant is called as the sporophyte. It bears sporangia on the leaves that are subtended by leaf-like appendages called sporophylls. सो वो कहाँ से निकलता है, लीफ लाइक अपेंडेजेस. अपेंडेजेस बोलते हैं जैसे हमारे हैंड्स को अपेंडेजेस बोलते हैं. सो जो लीफ लाइक ऑर्गन्स निकला है उसको दे आर ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज स्पोरोफिल्स. दे कंटेन स्पोर्स ऑन देम. In some cases, sporophylls may form distinct compact structures called strobili or cones. Yeah. Can you see these cones? You must have gone to the mountains या कभी आप travel कर रहे होंगे तो आप वहां से cones उठा के लाते हो, घर में उनको पेंट करके डेकोरेट करके रखते हो. Isn't it? Have you seen them? Yes. So they are the ones which are the reproductive organs also. So the sporophytes bear a plant. A sporophyte bears the sporangia, right? And they bear, the leaf which bears the sporangia is called as the sporophyll. Sporophyte is a plant. It bears sporangia. and the leaf-like structure which bears it, it is called as the sporophyll. In some cases, it may form distinct compact structures called as cones. So the spores germinate to give rise to a inconspicuous, small but multicellular free living. सबसे पहली बात ये multicellular है. दूसरी बात ये parasite नहीं है, free living है, because it can manufacture its own food. That is through photosynthesis. Thalloid gametophytes called prothallus. Gametophytes require cool, damp, shady place to grow. Gametophytes, why? Gametophytes are the male and female bearing sex organ. The gametophytes bear, yes, male and female sex organs called antheridia and archegonia respectively. So this is a fern gametophyte also called as a prothallus. The fern gametophyte is called prothallus. It contains archegonia and antheridia and the root-like structures called rhizoids. Right. So female organs are called as antheridia and male organs are called as archegonia. The development of the zygotes into young embryos takes place up. देखो क्या, male and female gametes will fuse. They will form an embryo. This embryo will develop within the female gametophyte and it will give rise to a young plant, or you can call it a young sporophyte, which further develops into a multicellular, well-differentiated adult sporophyte. So this is the process. It's a non-flowering plant. फ्लावर नहीं है, ओवरी नहीं है, इसमें फ्रूट नहीं है, सीड नहीं है, but it bears spores, hence it is called as sporophyte. It bears spores on a leaf-like structure which is called as a sporophyll. Then sporophylls sometimes form distinct compact structures called strobili or the cones. Examples are equisetum and selaginella. Yes, very good, very good. So you can mail me your notes, children. I will be happy to see them. So this is the structure of the sporophyte. Gametophyte has half the number of chromosomes. These are the rhizoids because ये female gametophyte है. Yes, and the embryo develops within the female gametophyte. When it grows adult, it becomes a plant like this. So this is the life cycle of a pteridophyte. If you can see it clearly, these are the root-like structures. This is the adult plant, adult sporophyte or adult plant. It will have spores on it called as sporangia. Then उसमें डिविजन होगा मियोसिस. Meiosis is for the half the number of chromosomes. So male and female gametophytes will be formed with half the number of chromosomes. Those male and female gametophytes, they fuse together to form a zygote. This zygote develops in the female gametophyte, right? And after fertilization, this embryo develops and it grows into a young plant called as a sporophyte. So pteridophytes are very simple. The only point to remember in this is that they develop in a cool, shady place. They are flowerless plants. They have vascular bundles and they are the first terrestrial plants. इससे ज्यादा आपको इसमें ज्यादा कुछ भी नहीं लर्न करना है. And their roots are called as the rhizoids. They bear spores. They reproduce through spores. And examples are Xylotum, Selaginella, horsetail, and Dryopteris. Right? So these are the 4 examples you can learn. ऐसे तो बहुत सारे. India में nearly 300 species are found of pteridophytes. But you can't learn 300. You are not doing masters in botany. Even those who are doing masters in botany, they will not learn all the 300 species. So main thing is you remember Selaginella, Xylotum, Dryopteris, which is very common, which is found in every home. Dryopteris is found, and the horsetail. So right, children. So can we move on to the quiz now? Can we move on to the quiz? Yes. Yes, these are not saprophytes, sporophytes. Saprophyte and sporophyte are different. Sporophyte is जो spore bear करता है, उस plant को sporophyte बोला है. Saprophyte is a mode of those plants which feed upon dead organic matter. They are called as the saprophytes. Very good. So we are moving on to the quiz. See how interesting, how fast. छोटा छोटा सा learn करना है सिर्फ. Yes. You have to learn every day a very small quantity of bio, and bio will, I hope those who are making notes, they will really do well और उनको बहुत जल्दी learn होगा. So those who are interested, they can write to show their notes. They can write, send me on the mail reenumrt68@gmail.com. reenumrt68@gmail.com. 1 minute, children, 1 minute. I'm looking for the link. 1 second, 1 second. Yes, yes, yes. 1 second. Come on, get ready. Yes. So all of you get ready for the quiz, the interesting quiz, the 5 questions, and let us see the winner who has revised the previous session. और next session में जिम्नोस्पर्म्स एंजियोस्पर्म्स खत्म करेंगे और फिर एक पूरी मेंटी क्विज होगी, एक full मेंटी quiz on next Monday on plant kingdom. And before I forget, let me tell you children, tomorrow is the sports quiz. I hope all of you remember. Tomorrow is the sports quiz. Yes. Tomorrow is the sports quiz, and tomorrow evening is the next part of BioNurture. So, first question in front of you, enter the Menti code 86070592. Sorry, children. Enter the Menti code fast 86070592. आपसे बात करते करते quiz start होगी. 86070592. 86070592. Which of the following is an example of filamentous form of algae? Eulothrix, Pyrogyra, Volvox, both A and B. Yes. Srishti, is it? Is it? I will just check. You have named it from. You have mailed it from Srishti name only. Srishti, you have sent it from Srishti only. Just kindly send it to me today again. I'll check it. Sari mail दोबारा से forward कर दो. So 14 children have answered it correct. Both A and B, Eulothrix and Spirogyra. Children, Volvox is colonial. Volvox is colonial. Which of the following is an example of filamentous form of algae? Eulothrix, Spirogyra. Volvox is a colonial type. 86070592. Yes, Ronak, Kiran. Come on, Sandeep Giri. I can see some new children. Which of the following is used to make jellies and ice cream? Gelidium, Gracilaria, both A and B, Chlorella. I'm very much sure if I give this question to grade 9 students also who are preparing for NTSE, नहीं याद होगा उनको. चिल्ड्रन डोंट लर्न इट, बस ऐसे ही बोल देते हैं कि बायो तो हम ऐसे ही अटेम्प्ट कर लेंगे और फिर वही मिस्टेक्स होती है, सिलेक्शन रह जाता है. So which of the following is used to make jellies and ice creams? Gelidium or Gracilaria? Come on. Gelidium or Gracilaria? Come on, come on. Email is Reenu, 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 MRT68 @gmail.com. Reenu, MRT. Who is this child with the name Giri? Yes, I can't recognize you. @gmail.com. Anybody outside Vedantu today? Yes. Hello, Ketki. Hello, Ketki. Yes. Which of the following used to make jellies and ice creams? Ketki, that paper is done. Yeah. Ayush Giri. Okay. Ayush Giri, you are a new child. So yes, 17 children have done it right. Very good. It's both Gelidium and Gracilaria. Yes, Gelidium gives agar-agar, which is used in ice cream for the fast settling down of the ice cream. So Skids, Millie, Wolfmaster, Ted, Sebastian, Magical, Snuggles, Ashley, Hustler, Nemo. I cannot recognize any name, children. Skids is the fastest, but I don't know who is the Skids. Very good. Next question. Question number 3. Question number 3. Choose the incorrect statement regarding bryophytes. The plant body of bryophytes is more differentiated than that of algae. Plant body of bryophytes is more differentiated than that of algae. It lacks true root stems and leaves. They are vascular or none of the above. The plant body of bryophytes is more differentiated. Choose the incorrect statement. Lack true root stems and leaves. They are vascular or none of the above. I know everybody will give me the answer. Okay, Thameen. As per Ansari, very good. Sandeep Kiri. Oh, do not write the answers over here. Ayush Kiri, write the answers. Yeah, do not mention over here. Write the answers on the Menti. Otherwise, your answer will be stolen. Ronak, do not write the answer over here. Yes. Okay, magical rhino is Bhavya. Okay, Suprava Rout, Anis means is Snuggles. Is it Anis? Yes. Come on, come on. Good. Really nice, really nice. Very good. So 11 children answered correct, and the correct answer is they are not vascular. So vascular was given wrong. So we move on to question number 4. And there are 5 questions. Okay, Anis, okay. Dash are the first organisms to colonize rocks and hence are of great ecological importance. Dash are the first organisms to colonize rocks and hence are of great ecological importance. Yes, yes. They're the first organisms to colonize rocks and hence are of great ecological importance. Yes. Okay, Tapasya, you as kids. Okay, congratulations. Colonize rocks to colonize and rocks and hence are of great ecological importance. Yes. Come on, which of them grow on rocks? Which of them grow on rocks? Yes. Ketki. Okay. Yes. Okay. And yes, 13 of you give the correct answer. It was both mosses and lichens. What are lichens? They're the symbiotic relationship, mutual example of mutualism between algae. Yes, algae and fungi. The main plant body of the bryophyte is haploid, diploid, tetraploid or none of the above. जैसे अभी आपने देखा गैमेटोफाइट्स कैसे थे हैप्लॉइड हाफ द नंबर ऑफ क्रोमोसोम्स तो इसी तरह ब्रायोफाइट की बॉडी इज व्हाट इफ यू कैन आंसर दे आर हैप्लॉइड और डिप्लॉइड haploid means half the number of the chromosomes diploid means 2n chromosomes pteridophytes ki gametophytes are haploids yes come on okay Thamin you have started really doing very well hello Prakhar Salotra yes the main plant body of the bryophyte is yes the main plant body of the bryophyte is can you answer come on great come fast yes Anurag yes Ketki come on So 13 children gave the correct answer. They are haploid. And we'll get the winners after this. So Tamim, look at being regular. He's improved such a lot. Tamim, Rakshit, Arnab, you're a sure shot. And then Bhavya Jha, the learner, Rakshit, Romit, I get Arnab, Nemo, Anurag, Rotik, Watson, Tamim. All of you did very well, those who are in the leaders vote. And yes, congratulations, Bhavya. See, when you have come back, you have done so well. Sure shot, all these bio lovers. Yes, very good, Romit, and you're from grade 5 and you're learning grade 9 bio. So really gems you all are, those who all are here. So congratulations, children. Children, never go low कि भाई और लोग तो अटेंड कर नहीं रहे हैं तो हम क्यों करें वेरी गुड सृष्टि वेरी गुड सृष्टि जस्ट सेंड बैक मी द मेल्स अगेन जस्ट नाउ उन्हीं को फॉरवर्ड कर दो दोबारा से सो थैंक यू चिल्ड्रन गो एंड रिलैक्स आई वोंट टेक योर मच टाइम थैंक यू कमिंग see children I took just your 25 minutes 20 minutes and you have learned you learn one part of such a difficult chapter right so bit by bit makes the ocean drop by drop makes the ocean similarly this drop of knowledge will make a ocean of knowledge in your brains right thank you so much have a nice day have a great day